Hi, everyone loves bacon. Today we're doing a family hibachi. We got chicken, we got some shrimp, we got some squash, we got plenty of squash. We got an onion, we got our eggs, we got our cooked rice, it's been cooling off, peas and carrots. We got our stir fry oil, our soy sauce, and our oyster sauce. And we're gonna fire this wok off here. Uh-oh. Woo! Yeah! We'll be right back when we get cooking. Got our oil. Got our butter. Got our rice. Got our mixed vegetables right here. Come on out of here, mixed vegetables. All right. For that, we're going to put our egg in here. We'll be back. Oh yeah, keep going. All right, stop for a minute. Oh, this is gonna be I'm good. Oh, I'm good. Hey, I got it. With the salt.
Too much salt, too much salt. Oh, none of that.
We got a helper trying to mess it up.
Go.
Hit that up with the butter. Hit it up with some frying oil. Let that heat up a little bit. Down with some onions and yellow squash. And we'll be back. All right, we got that squash cooking down. Oh, look how pretty that is. Get in close here. Smell that oil? Smell that peanut oil. We're gonna hit that up with some soy sauce. We'll be right back. All right. We got that chicken going down. You like to cut that chicken in half like that. that on there and let that fry up. We'll hit it with the salt and pepper. We hit it with the sesame seed oil. We wanted to kind of get some brown on the bottom of it before we flip it. And then we'll throw our shrimp down. So that pan is kicking. We're going to season it up with some salt. We're going to put some pepper on it. Don't be scared when you're doing this kind of stuff. You're never going to put too much. Some more sesame seed oil. And then we'll give it a little flip. Oh yeah, look at that. Get in here close. Look at that chicken, huh? Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Good hibachi here. We'll feed about 10 to 15 people tonight. Look at that. Look at that, huh? Listen to that sizzle. All right, we got the chicken all sauteed up. The hibachi chicken's looking good. We're gonna go ahead and put it in this pan and start with our shrimp. And then we'll come right back to you and then we'll plate it up. We got that shrimp on the wok. We're gonna get them nice and orange and then we'll be ready to eat. Look at that, look at them going. Look at them turning orange. You wanna put them all around that wok so you don't get them too mushy. It's all about getting a little crispy on them. We'll be right back when we plate up. Hey, we got it all done, and this is how it looks. Here's our vegetables. Here's our rice. Here's our chicken. Here's our shrimp, our yum yum sauce. We'll tell you how it tastes in just a second. Hey, we ready to dish this out. This is good. The family ate. I'm gonna try it. Got me some rice. Got me a few shrimp here. Got me some vegetables. Oh man, these vegetables are good. Got that chicken. Ain't nothing like a home hibachi. Cheap and good. See what we got. Come get you some of this.
You forgot the sauce.
Oh. My wife says I forgot the yum yum sauce, so let's try that. Good sauce.
Thank you.
Try this at home. Hibachi at home is the best thing you'll ever do for your family. Good meal, feeds a lot of people. Everyone loves bacon. Like and subscribe.